What's going on, MG Mods? I'm back with another video, man. Today is gonna be so lit. I'm about to show you guys what I just got in the mail. I ordered last week and it just came in, guys. So check this out. Look at this, man. I finally got the first mod for the Civic. It's a cold air intake by Injen technology. The world's first tuned intake system, Mega RAM. And then on the back side here, it shows you the different types that Injen offers. I got this one right here, the SP intake system. All right, y'all guys. So I just got off work. Don't mind my look. But anyways, today is gonna be just an unboxing video. I'm not gonna install it. Unfortunately, it's not good weather outside right now, so I want to show you guys what's inside the box just to get y'all a little teaser what's going to happen on my install day. I'm probably going to install it Sunday because tomorrow I got to work, so let's get into it. So I already went over what the name of the intake I have, Injen Technology, the world's first tuned intake system. And on this side, I want to let y'all guys who own a either 2001 to 2005 Honda Civic, it's suitable for the DX, the LX, and the EX. This is the polished kind. I got the polished one, so they got two finishes. I think the black and the polished. So I went with the polished. So I'm fixing to open it up for you guys. I can't wait to open it, man. I'm so excited to see what it looks like in person. Got some taped up. So here we got some instructions. Just some instructions. And oh, here goes the grommets and this is like the tube for the PCV hose, some clamps. Oh, here's the piping. Wow, look how shiny this is. And then the engine looks so clean on this. Ooh, I can't wait to install this. More piping. Oh my gosh, this is gonna look so clean in my engine. Oh my gosh. Engine. Girl. And for the oh shoot, just fell out. Now this thing, I didn't expect this to be so small. This is smaller than normal K&N, but this is where the horsepower is at. The filter, the air filter. I thought they were gonna give me some stickers. So there goes the unboxing, guys. I just unboxed everything for you guys, showing you what I had, and actually gonna lay out everything so you can see it better. Alright, so a little recap of what everything came in the box. So over here we have the two pipes. We have the accessories to hold the pipings together, and the air filter where all the gains are gonna come through. But yeah, that's it. Injen Technology. There you go. That's all the stuff that came in the box. Alright, you guys, that is it for the video. I hope you liked the unboxing video that I just did for you guys. And I hope you guys are excited for the install that's gonna happen on Sunday. And get ready, because this is gonna be the first mod that I'm gonna do to the EM2 Civic. And it's gonna be so exciting because I can't wait. I've been needing to put a mod in there, and it's the first mod that I'm doing, so. Alright, MG Mods is signing out, guys. Hey, don't forget, keep modding, trust that process. Alright, peace.